Okay, so we're going to do multi-digit multiplication using our base 10 blocks. We will not be using our flats because flats represent 100 and we have nothing in our hundreds column on either number. Our first number is 12 and our second is 23, so 12 times 23. We know we're going to be using our logs because our logs represent 10. So we have 10 and then 2 of our units for 1 and 2 for 12s, 10, 11, 12. Now we're going to multiply that by 23. So we need 10, 20, 1, 2, and 3. Now what we need to do is multiply everything on this side by everything on this side. So we're going to do 10 times 10, which is 100. 10 times 10, which is another 100. Then we do 10 times 1. 10 times 1 we know is 10, so we're going to use a log. 10 times 1, again, is 10. And then 10 times 1 for the final one. So we've taken care of everything times the 10 in our 12. So now let's go to our ones. 1 times 10 is 10. Oops. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 1 is, oops, I lost it. 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And then 1 times 1 is 1. We do our final digit from our 12, this unit here. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 10 is 10. Now be sure to multiply every single thing from this side with everything on this side. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And finally, 1 times 1 is 1. And it should make a rectangle when you're finished. This one's a little sloppy, but it'll look like a rectangle. Now we're going to take away our numbers we started with, our 12 and our 23. Pull them aside, and let's see what we have left. Well, there's less than 10 here, and there's less than 10 here. So we're going to do our 2 flats, which is the equivalent of 200, plus our logs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which would be 70 because 7 times 10 is 70. On our individual units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 276. 12 times 23 equals 276.